Good morning, my dear friend. Today we have the newspaper of 9th May 2025. Start with the first news that India hit back after intercepting Pak strike. India shot down a sustainable number of munitions fired at civilian military locations. Military stations in Jammu, Pathankot, Udhampur targeted late in evening, but no loss suffered. India's response in same domain, air defense systems in Lahore, neutralized Defense Ministry. At least 100 killed in operations, Rajnath tell all party meet. Robert Prevost, first American Pope, will take the name of Leo XV14. Alert mode in border state, leave of certain government staff is cancelled. Punjab CM lead AAP Waka in protest over water dispute. Land for job scam, ED get President's approval for prosecute Lalu Prasad. 2,208 voters out of EC revised electoral roll for Bengal by poll. Neera production get boost in Bihar. Today, Toddy tappers to gain. Nipays resurfaced in Kerala, Malpuram. 3 graveyard personnel dead in Telangana, IED blast. Congress appointment Sunny Joseph as Kerala PCC chief. Janardhan Reddy disqualified from Karnataka Assembly. Small snail infections a grew threat to cardamom farmer in Idukki district. Caste census not a political issue to BJP but a part of philosophy of social justice. CGI forward panel inquiry report on Justice Obama to President PM. BES announced fare hike to boost revenue amid financial strain. No country will be allowed to use Sri Lankan territory against another. SC Surges Center to fill vacancies of High Court judge expeditiously. State funeral for terrorists Misri, Slam Pakistan linked to Lashkar-e-Taiba and TRF and JAM. PM stresses need for continued alertness, institutional synergy. Displaced by Pakistani selling residents of a border village long for home and peace. Pakistani military actions will be met with very firm response, Jaishankar. MMR shows a declining trend, reveal latest data. Researchers call for wider access to genetic screening for diabetic patients in India. Center unveil draft climate taxonomy document to aid clean energy investment. Public health in India is changed by flawed policy, weak training. Why did Tamil Nadu take the decision to ban mayonnaise made from raw egg? 8 years on, never again in surrounding hollow. The 18th anniversary of V Day have passed, but with it the ghosts of war are returning to Europe. Remembering the war, reminiscing forgotten Indians. Victory in Europe Day is also a moment to recall the genius of scientists such as Kolchale Sitaramaha and the heroism of soldiers such as Idris Hassan Latif during the Second World War. Is social media defining self-worth? This is the opinion of peoples regarding social media. Costs of documenting people's stories of resilience, hope. Is academic freedom a made-up concept? In the backdrop of Trump's moves to Ivy League institutions in America, a look to the scope and limitations of freedom on campus was not always easy, with institutions being pulled in different directions. Do restaurants have the right to charge a service fees? Is the service charge typically ranging from 5% to 20% across restaurants a legitimate business practice or unfair burden on customers? Why it is issue mired in litigations? From revolutionary Russia to modern day Gaza, how endorse reflect history? CC notification new definitions to curb predatory pricing. Green Line rollouts fresh Allen truck fleet. L&T quarter 4 profit rose 15% to 15,000 crore. RIL bow out as race for tackling Operation Sindoor gather pace. Core competence expand presence in Chennai. Investors add Federal Reserve rate uncertainty to tariff murkiness. Asians Bank see big boost to wealth businesses. Australian stock sign as global money seek US alternative. Trump call US Fed Chair Powell a fool after push in rate cut. Ukraine parliament ratifies minerals agreement with US. Iran denies involvement in plot against Israeli embassy in London. Israel closed 6 UN schools for Palestine in East Jerusalem. Trump Starmer announced trade deal reduce tariff on UK import. UK government official defend FTA with India. Putin Z rail against West as Ukraine accused Russia of truce violation. German intelligence suspended AfD right-wing extremist label amid appeal. Putin used Soviet victory over Nazi to rally support for invasion of Ukraine. As Russia celebrates May 9 as Victory Day to mark the defeat of Nazi Germany, President uses it to increase national pride and promote his agenda. He justifies the Ukraine invasion by claiming that neo-Nazi group shaped the country's politics under President Volodymyr Zelensky. UAE supplies Chinese weapon used by Sudan paramilitary amnesty. How a Chinese delicacy got caught in the crossfire of Trump's trade war. Royal challengers keep perfect away record. Urville announced arrival in blistering fashions. Rohit test career a selfless journey beyond the number. That's from my side. Jai Hind friends.